In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable button in Canva. Let's get started by heading over to Canva's homepage. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and sign in to your account. This will give you full access to the myriad of design tools that Canva offers. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side panel and click on the bright plus Create button. This is where you can begin your canvas creation. Now, a new menu will appear on the left. From this menu, select Print Products. This is an important step as it offers various templates and design options. For this tutorial, we'll choose a standard A4 canvas. This size is versatile and is suitable for a range of prints. Moving on, let's add some text to your canvas. Head to the left side menu again and click on Text. Here's where you can get creative with font styles and sizes. Go ahead and click Add a Heading. This will allow you to type in the main text that you want on your button. Once you've decided on the text, it can be repositioned and resized according to your preferences. You can do this simply by dragging the text box around or adjusting the corners. To give your text the appearance of a button, let's add some background styling. Look to the floating toolbar on the right and select Effects. In this section, click on Background. Here's the fun part. You can adjust the roundness of the button, its spread, and of course, the background color. Choose colors that align well with your overall design theme. After setting up the background, click on your text, and then click on the three dots for more options. A drop-down will appear. Navigate to and click on Link. In this small text box, type in or paste the URL you wish to link to your button. Make sure the link is correct to avoid any errors later. Once you're satisfied with the link, hit Done. Now, it's crucial to check if the link works. Head to the top right corner of Canva and click on Share. In the drop-down menu, click on the download icon. Choose PDF Standard as your file type, but remember, do not check Flatten PDF. Doing so will disable your clickable link. Click Download and wait for the file to save to your device. Finally, open the PDF you downloaded and test the link to make sure it directs to the intended destination. And just like that, you've created a functional, clickable button in Canva. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.